안녕하세요. It's me again, Dahee TV Korean Class 101. Hi, this is Dahee TV Korean Class 101. Enjoy watching and enjoy learning Korean. Let's start! Dad, 아빠, 아빠. Desk, 책상, 책상. Diary, 일기, 일기. Dinner, 저녁 식사, 저녁 식사. Dish, 접시, 접시. Doctor, 의사, 의사. Dog, 개, 개. 달, 인형, 인형. Door, 문, 문. Down, 아래로, 아래로. Let's review. All right, now prepare for our quiz. Inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
인형, 의사, 일기, 접시, 아래로, 아빠, 개, 책상, 문, 저녁 식사. Time's up! Who got perfect for the first time? Meron ba? Please comment your score below. Until here, thanks for watching. See you again on my next video. Annyeong! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share my videos. Until next time!